Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to practically implement the lifecycle meta argument prevent underscore destroy. So when we create with prevent underscore destroy is equal to true, when we try to do the Terraform destroy for that resource, it should not get deleted. So let's go ahead and then test that now. So we will go here and we are testing the lifecycle prevent underscore destroy. So we'll switch to v2 prevent destroy. So go here and as usual we'll say the Terraform init and we'll move on with the next steps. If you want we can review the same thing here. So v2 prevent underscore destroy and c2 ec2 instance. So lifecycle prevent underscore destroy is equal to true is enabled here. So for create before destroy, I am commenting this for you to have it in the older state. Okay, so whenever you want to enable and then test it, you can enable and then test it. Okay, so let's come back here and I'm going to say Terraform apply auto approve will create the ec2 instance for me now. So let's wait for it to get created. So it will create a web2 instance for us, right? So web2 instance will get created. After that, we will try to see what happens when we do the Terraform destroy, right? So when you do the Terraform destroy, it should not get deleted. So you remove or uncomment the block and then do the destroy. It should work for us. Okay, so let's wait for it to create the resource. Our resource got created now. So let's go back and then verify the resource. So web2 should be get created. Yeah. So now we'll go ahead and then say Terraform destroy auto approve. So let's see what happens. So you can see the message very clearly, error instance cannot be destroyed. Okay, so has lifecycle prevent destroy set, so you will not be able to destroy it. So the message also very clearly given that resource AWS instance.web has lifecycle prevent destroy set, but the plan calls for this resource to be destroyed. To avoid this error and continue with the plan, either disable lifecycle prevent destroy or reduce the scope of the plan using the -target flag. Okay, so now let's go back here and comment this prevent destroy, or you can straight away say prevent destroy is equal to false, which is the default value. Okay, so you can say false or even comment this line or whatever. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to comment this lifecycle thing and then again I'm going to say Terraform destroy and then see what happens. Okay, so I'm saying the Terraform destroy now. So this should delete the resource for me. Okay, so yeah, it is getting destroyed. Okay, so this completes the prevent underscore destroy lifecycle meta argument. So now we are going to roll back the change whatever it is here, right, and then leave it to the original state for your demo, and let me save it. And also once it is destroyed, we are going to clear the files also whatever is present here. Resource got destroyed, so I'll also remove the Terraform files. Okay, and folders. So now you should be with only two files, C1 and C2 EC2 instance in v2 prevent destroy. So in our next lecture, we'll discuss about the ignore changes. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.